So before we begin this Super Grandia leather, we accept trade-in for most brands. Guys, lilinawin ko, not all the brands sinatagap namin for trade-in ha. And just in case meron ka ng approval, pwede mo yan i-transfer dito kahit sa other brands pa yung approval mo. So guys, let's begin this Super Grandia leather. Ipo-point out ko lang yung difference sila between the Super Grandia Elite. Tara! So, yeah, this is the Super Grandia leather. Just like I mentioned, ang mas mataas na variant dito is the Elite. So, ito yung sumunod is the leather. So, ang nabawas dito is the Toyota Safety Sense, like the pre-collision sensor, lane departure, assist, cruise control, dynamic cruise control, and auto high beam. Then, isang advantage din ng Elite. I'm talking about the Elite, the top of the line. Mas marami siyang cup holders. Merong Nano E technology. Alright? Then meron ding Ottoman, yung captain seats niya. Whereas dito sa leather, dito sa Super Grandia leather natin is walang Ottoman power seats. So, si Elite is merong mga wood panel design sa steering wheel and power adjust yung mga seats ng ating Elite. So, actually, ang naging difference is yung power features. Okay? Then, at price difference ng 400,000. Guys, meron akong vlog separate for the Elite alone. Okay? So, ito, sobrang rare magkaroon ng Super Grandia leather. Kaya ito, binlog ko agad siya. Right? So, ikutan muna natin siya right now before we go inside. Let's get it on. So we'll begin here at the emblem. Yeah, it's massive. Look at my hand. Yan. Halos kasing laki nung palad ko yung emblem. And look at the chrome design of the whole facade of this bumper. And meron tayong front sensors. 2 front sensors. Look at this. Yan. Sana nakita nyo kasi since this Super Grandia leather is color black. And fog lights. Yan. Running across chrome design. Kita nyo? Yan. Okay. Ito yung na-mention ko isang parking sensor. Yan. So, dalawa at front. Right. Yan. So, check nyo yung headlight ha. Nice. Okay. Yan. And look at this mags. Two-tone design. And the size of this mags is 17 inches. Okay? Ang tires na nakabit sa kanya is Bridgestone. Yan. Bridgestone 17-inch mags. Two-tone design. And design ng ating side mirrors this chrome design color. Not body color. And with integrated signal light. Okay. Look at this with smart entry feature. Yan, nakita nyo yung dalawang line na yan. Okay. Every time na malapit dito yung key, mag-activate yan, gaganyan mo lang yung thumb mo dyan. Okay. Yan, mag-unlock din siya. So, chrome design with smart entry. Ito, this one is automatic, guys, ha. Both sides, power door, power sliding door. So this one with massive tail light. Actually pag malayo akala mo Elite siya eh. Right? Pero this one is Super Grandia leather. Then meron tayong how many? 4 backing sensors. Okay, 1 2 3 4. 4 backing sensors. Meron tayong camera. Right? Yan. So, ito yung camera natin. Okay. So, we're about to go inside the Super Grandia leather. By the way, ito driver side na to Right? With smart entry feature pa din. Both sides. Right? Yan. So, this is the design ng door panel natin. Okay? Tara, buting tingin natin. So, this one is soft leather, guys. Soft, including this. Okay, ito is soft leather, but this hard plastic. Okay, the speaker, Cup holder extended. Okay, hard plastic. Door mechanism. Okay, meron tayong control panel dito para sa dalawang window for the driver and the passenger. Central lock ng windows, then central lock ng doors. Then adjustment natin for the side mirrors this one, joystick. Okay. Then meron tong auto fold. Okay, meron siyang auto fold function. Nakita niyo yung A na yan. So every time you lock this unit, magfo-fold yung side mirrors natin. Okay? Nandiyan pa rin naman yung fold and retract button. Okay? For the side mirrors. Right? And by the way, guys, just to inform you guys na dito nakalagay ang battery nito. Okay? Same goes yan sa ibang mga high-ace Grandia natin. And look at this, hindi pa po ito power seat adjust. Okay? Sa Elite is power seat adjust. Pero, based sa mga clients, iba-iba preference sila eh. Minsan, ayaw nila yung power seat adjust na yan. Mas prefer nila itong manual. And guys, in-heads up ko na kayo, as early as now, mas madali pa ang supply ng Elite versus dito sa leather. And also, the GL Grandia Tourer. Nako, suntok sa buwan guys. Right? So, every time na may available nito, grab it guys, kuhanin nyo na agad. Huwag na kayong mag-alinlangan. Right? So, ito yung pang-open ng ating gas. Pang-open ng hood. Okay? Power door off button. Okay? So, ito yung mga shortcuts na to para sa driver, para at least meron siyang control para dyan din sa sliding door. Okay? Pwedeng i-open ni driver dito. Right? Sa right side naman na power sliding door. Okay? And guys, if you're wondering about this, ito yung mga abang. Just in case in the future you want to modify this Super Grandia, same goes sa ibang mga Grandia. Okay? You can put the button here. Okay? You can customize the button here. Right? So, siguro isang example ko na lang, just in case gusto niyo pa mag-add ng fog lights or minsan yung mga hydraulic lift. Alright? So, you can customize it, add the buttons here. So, yan. Idea lang. And this one is the aircon vent design. And this one is cup holder. Okay? And full leather seats. All the seats are leather, guys. Right? So, guys, manual seat adjust to. Inatras ko by, what? Pulling the lever under. Beneath. Okay? So guys, ito meron tong cruise control of course. Pero hindi siya dynamic cruise control just like the Elite. Okay? And ito, nandito yung volume button natin. Right? Voice command. Back button, cursor, arrows, enter button. Ang purpose nito is to navigate that small LED. Kita nyo? That small LED, nandyan yung adjustment ng settings nitong sasakyan. Okay? Yan. So, yan. Para i-navigate mo nga yan, andito yung mga arrow buttons. Back button, answer call. Okay? Kuha nyo. Then, what's next? Ito yung na-mention ko na cruise control. Okay? Yan. Meron pang reset, pang set. And this one, the mode button. Recap lang natin. Just to remind you again, ito yung shortcut button. Just in case you want to cycle between Bluetooth, Apple and Android connectivity, Bluetooth, AM, FM. Skip music, skip radio station, alright? Then ito meron ditong silver accent design. And this one is soft, smooth leather. Yan, ganda. Okay? Then wala itong paddle shifter, right? Okay, van yung dinadrive mo, okay? And of course, push start tayo. Right? Parking assist, parking sensors. Sorry for that. Then ito yung may parang dimmer na light. Okay? Then ito yung design ng ating head unit monitor. Look at my hand. Okay? Halos kasing size siya ng kamay ko. So ganun kalaki yung monitor. Okay? Thermostat adjustment. Ito yon. Okay? Rotary. Ito, napupush to This one is for the Automax. Okay? Then this one, off button, air circulation, air intake, thermostat, fan blower level, airflow, front defogger, rear defogger. And this one is para yan, para meron ka rin control sa rear aircon. Okay? Blower control for the rear aircon. Yan. O nga naman, para hindi ka napupunta sa likod. So guys, the traction button. Ito, mga abang na naman guys, just in case you want to modify the Super Grandia leather. And look at this, shift knob, right? Para ka nasa eroplano. Diba? Okay? And drive modes. Siya lang naman drive mode niya. This one is for the drive. Yan, okay. Meron tayong plus minus, Tiptronic, neutral, reverse, park. Right? And yun. So wala na dito yung classic na handbrake, guys, ha. Ang handbrake natin is push button, electronic, then meron tayong brake auto hold. Okay? So many times ko na discuss kung paano to ginagamit. Hopefully, alam nyo na rin. Then, meron tayong dito, to pocket sa floor. Actually, parang kasya dyan yung sapatos. Right? Most of the Grandia, merong ganyan. Kaya yan, maganda. Para maganda rin na open tong center console kasi pwede ka mag-switch dito from the driver going at this first row passenger. Look at this tray. Okay? Open ko lang, Right? So, meron pa ulit na tray dito. Okay? So, what's inside? Ayan, sobrang laking box nito. Sobrang lalim niyan, okay? At, ayan, nasa elbow ko, nasa elbow ko na yung lalim niya. Ayan, para ma-visualize nyo lang yung lalim niya, yung depth niya. So, ito, center pocket. And meron tayong dalawang cup holder dito sa likod. Okay? Ayan, pwede magamit ng tao dito sa first row or kung sino man yun nandito sa second row. Okay, look at this seat design, black stitching, full leather. Ganda. Yan, nice. Nicey. And look at this glove box. Yan, pailalim siya. Right? And look at this finish. Yan, soft siya. Yan, leather coated siya. This one is leather coated, Okay, this one is not hard plastic. Dito tayo is hard plastic. Dito is leather coated. Okay? Yan. Ito hard plastic. So, same design for the driver, passenger side there. Here, at the first row. And, yan. Meron tayong ditong, yun, nakita nyo, when I slide this mirror, nag-open tong light. Okay, very ideal yan. Kung sino man yung passenger here sa front is salamin siya ng maayos dahil may ilaw pa. Okay, merong handle there. And anong mga function nito? Meron tayong lagay ng salamin. Yan, ganda. Lit, ayan Okay, kita nyo. And, yan. And door function. Okay. Discuss ko lang yan na mabilis. Umiilaw yan kapag may nakabukas na door. Since nakabukas yung dalawang door natin, umilaw siya. Okay, ang ganda. Yung driver din merong mirror na may ilaw. Nice, ang ganda Ayos ba? Then, ang maganda, dalawa yung grab bar natin dito. 1 and 2. Okay. Para mas madaling bumaba, mas madaling umakyat. Especially dun sa ating mga tito na may gout. And what else? I think we're done here at the front, at the first row. And we're heading at the cabin. Yeah. So look at this. Ganda, very spacious. So nandito na isang step natin, step board. Yan, for easy access para madali makaakyat. And by the way, these are not, itong captain, apat na captain seats natin are not power adjust. So manual adjust yan, Okay, kita nyo. Yan. And let's go inside. Okay, meron tayong center table dito. Okay, yan. Na foldable siya para mas madali ka maka-access papunta sa likod. Okay, naalala ko to sa Zenix or yan, same goes sa Zenix. And yan, pwede mo siya i-fold. Okay? And yan. Meron tayong power supply dito under. Dalawang Type-C siya. So, while charging, pwede mo ilagay yung phone mo dito sa dalawang cup holder. Okay, may cover siya. And yan, meron ditong wood panel design. Maganda. Yan. And, lagayan ng files. Look at that. Yan. Okay. And yan, ito yung left and right power sliding door. Nice. So, look at this aircon vent design. Yan. And yan, dimmer ng light. Aircon blower level, auto max, off button. Okay, ito wala tong mga function Look at this. Yan. Also this. Yan. Pero ito may mga icon. Yan ang functional. Yan. Aircon vent, door handle. Meron tayong center cabin light. Kita nyo? Yan. So, ilan center cabin light natin? 3. Point out ko lang 1, 2, at almost at the 3rd row. Then meron pa dun sa dulo para sa cargo space. So, like I mentioned, 4 na captain seats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one. And dun sa pinakadulo is row seats. Pwedeng 4 ang umupo dun sa likod. Okay? And look at the design ng yan. Ito yung light natin, na na-adjust. Okay, kita nyo? Yun, nagdi-dim siya. Look at that. Okay, 1. Second, dim. Third na dim. Then off. Okay, pwede mo siya i-direct yan. Especially kung nagbabasa ka ng book. Okay? And ilan ang aircon vent natin dito? Yan, meron pang 2 dito. 1, 2. Same goes at the other side. So, total of 4, 5, and 6 aircon vents dito sa cabin area natin for the passenger. Okay? So, yeah, that's it. So, na-point out ko kanina ang difference nito between the Elite. And guys, hindi ko kayo dinidiscourage for this Super Gandia leather, but yung availability nito is mas may dumadating pa na Elite. Elite is the top of the line. Ulitin ko lang, mas may dumadating pa nun versus this one. And also the tourer. Yan, yung mga naghahanap ng tourer, guys. Nako, sobrang bihira lang magkaroon ng tourer. And this one, Super Gandia leather. Okay? So, yung iba naman kasi, minsan ang sinasabi na, todo nyo na sa Elite, kung Elite yung available currently for that specific month. So, that's a Super Gandia leather, guys. Ito na nga, yung ating price list. So, this one is 3,080,000. Ulitin ko 3,080,000. 3,080,000. Okay? Hopefully, makita ito ng mga bashers natin yung nagagalit na bakit daw walang price. So, for the white pearl, two-tone, additional 15,000. Of course. Yan. So, guys, check nyo yung channel ko. Meron akong vlog for the Super Gandia Elite. Okay? You can also see that inside and out. And yeah, that's it. Super Gandia leather. If you made it this far, guys, support me na din sana. Follow, like, and share. Just like my intro, we accept trade-in here. Okay? Most of the brands tinatanggap, pero not all the brands. I'm not gonna mention yung brand kung ano yung di namin tinatanggap. Pero guys, sorry na lang dun. And just in case meron ka na palang approval, existing approval sa other brands, pwede mo yun i-transfer dito. Right? So, that's it, guys. Follow my YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. That's it. By the way, guys, meron akong vlog for the Super Gandia Elite, the top of the line. Just in case, eto, napanood nyo na to, pwede nyo rin panoorin yung Super Gandia Elite. Okay? Like I mentioned in the intro, ayun yung difference silang dalawa. So, ako sa akin, madaling tandaan is merong Toyota Safety Sense yung ating Super Gandia Elite. Whereas this, hindi power seat yung ating mga captain seats, and wala siyang Toyota Safety Sense. And that's it. Bye!